one hell of a ride. A lot of challenges, adversities, and off the court challenges most probably. So hard work. It's all hard work. Commend to them. Coming to a team na 2 months preparation, yung time kala ko it's gonna be a problem. Pero latter part of the season, nakita ko na, uy, isa na kami. That's why we got the championship.